Here is how to clear and reset the thumbnail cache in Windows 11 using 4 methods, including the fix for cache files that will not delete. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Clear the thumbnail cache using disk cleanup. Press the Windows key, type disk cleanup, and open it. When disk cleanup opens on the C drive, wait a moment while it works out the sizes. In the list, tick thumbnails and untick everything else so only the cache previews are cleared. Click OK, then delete files to confirm, and the cache is cleared. Method 2. Clear the cache manually in File Explorer. The cache can also be cleared by hand in File Explorer. First, turn on Hidden Files. Click View, then Show, and tick Hidden Items. Open the folder where Windows keeps the cache. The full path is shown on screen and in the description. Select every file that starts with thumbcache, then choose Delete. Some delete right away, but Windows blocks the ones it is using with a file and use message because they are locked by File Explorer. Restarting Explorer will not free them. The command method, coming up next, removes even the locked files. Method 3. Clear the cache with Command Prompt or PowerShell. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell as administrator from the Start menu. Run the first command to stop File Explorer and release the locked cache files. The taskbar disappears, which is expected. Run the second command to delete every thumbcache file, including the locked ones. All 3 commands are on screen and in the description. Finally, run the last command to restart File Explorer, and the desktop comes back. Method 4. Clear the cache with a reusable batch file. Open Notepad and paste in the script shown on screen. The full script is in the description. Save the file, giving it a .bat extension, so it becomes a batch file, not a text file. Right-click the save file and run it as administrator. Confirm when asked. The script stops Explorer, clears the thumbnail and icon cache, and restarts Explorer on its own. After clearing, Windows rebuilds the cache on its own. Just open a few folders with images or video, and fresh previews are generated. That's 4 ways to clear and reset the thumbnail cache in Windows 11. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.